In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Express Checkout from your Shopify store step by step. Whether you want a cleaner, more standard checkout flow, you're testing conversions, or you simply don't want third-party Express buttons showing up anymore, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Shopify in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct store with admin permissions. Once Shopify loads, you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, look toward the lower left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where all your store-wide configurations live, so make sure to follow along carefully. Next, inside the Settings area, look at the left sidebar and click on Apps and Sales Channels. This page shows everything that's connected to your store, including all installed apps. Since Express Checkout is usually powered by an app, removing it means uninstalling that app from this section. Now, scroll through the installed apps list and look for the Express Checkout app that's active on your store. In many cases, it may appear as Stitch Express Checkout or a similarly named app. If your list is long, don't worry, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find it. Once you locate the app, look to the right of its name and click on the three horizontal dots. This will open a small menu with several options. From here, click on Uninstall. Shopify may ask you to confirm or select a reason, so simply confirm and continue. Don't worry, this will not affect your past orders or customer data. After uninstalling, wait a few seconds and then refresh the page. Go back to the Installed Apps section and confirm that the Express Checkout app is no longer listed. For extra confirmation, you can switch to the Uninstalled section and check that the app appears there. Seeing it listed means the removal was successful. And remember, if you ever want the feature back, you can always reinstall the app from the Shopify App Store. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to remove Express Checkout from your Shopify store easily and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.